I'm so late to the catrice game, but it's okay, I've arrived. These are 2 new releases, at least in the US. It's their Soft Glam Filter. I bought 2 shades. One is in shade 20, which is light medium, and then I bought 80 Tan Deep because I want to just bronze up my skin a bit. Let's swatch these for you. I am obsessed with them. I've already used them. I think they're absolutely beautiful. They are like a soft glow. So this is 20. And this is 80. I'm going to use 80 to kind of bronze up my skin a bit. I like that this is not an orangey undertone. I'm going to pick it up on my brush and I'm going to apply it. And I am applying it over the Nude Drop Tinted Serum just to give myself a little bit of a warmer glow. See how that just gave me a little bit of a bronze? Very, very natural. For a little glow, because I love me a good glow. I'm going to take the 20 and I'm going to just shear it down like this. Take it and I'm going to just pop it on the high points of my face, and look at that. This is that no makeup glowy dewiness that I love. A little bit down the bridge of your nose. How beautiful is that?